Hi folks, Mark West with Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be looking at the Arctic Fox camper. It's an 865. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features. Arctic Fox is an Oregon-made product. It's known for top quality. They've got the cool Fox Landing entryway, which is unique. This is a Four Seasons coach or camper. Besides being fully weatherized, they take pride in their gorgeous cabinetry. This is residential cabinetry. Solid wood, raised panel doors. You get lots of storage. You get a very comfortable dinette with storage underneath. Here in the kitchen area, you've got 3-burner stove. You've got an oven, which is sometimes rare for campers. Got a microwave. Got a nice big farm sink. That's one of the biggest I've seen in a camper. Got a nice fridge, Polar brand, and freezer. You got a Kenwood stereo system. You got a nice skylight here, and you can see for tall guys, this is fantastic. Top quality, I'll let him come in here and show you that bed. Got a top quality queen mattress with lots of storage on both sides. Once again, very high quality woodworking. Nice appointments. You've got a closure for that. You've got the bathroom there with shower. Fantastic vent above, skylight, all you can need. By the way, this converts to a little bed, which is always nice. Let's go out here and look at some more features. All Arctic Fox campers come with an awning generator right down there, 2500. You've got access to the roof. You got power jacks. Over here you've got your battery access. More storage and battery kill switch there. Here's your plumbing access. It's satellite ready. Here's your hookup for your electric for the campgrounds. Folks, this is a beautiful Arctic Fox camper. Come on down and let me show it to you today. Ask for Mark. My direct line is 541-913-3780. Thank you.